Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of love, friendship, and nature's serenity. Before we dive into today's enchanting tale, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's allow the seeds of inspiration, love, and friendship to blossom into a more mindful and connected existence. Today, we're going to explore the captivating world of Heather Harmony, a tale of infatuation and the music of flowers. Picture a quaint little village nestled amidst rolling hills, where the air is always filled with the sweet scent of blooming heather. This is where our story begins. Our protagonist is a young woman named Heather, named after the very flowers that blanket her village. Heather has a unique gift. She can hear the music of flowers. Each bloom sings a different tune, a melody that only she can hear. But the most enchanting of all is the song of the heather flower, a melody that fills her heart with joy and longing. One day, a young man named Harmony arrives in the village. He's a musician traveling from town to town, playing his violin. When Heather hears Harmony's music, it resonates with the song of the heather flowers. She's instantly infatuated, not just with Harmony, but with the beautiful symphony they create together. But their love story isn't without its thorns. Heather's unique gift is a secret she's guarded all her life. She fears that Harmony might not understand, might think her strange or worse, a liar. This fear creates a rift between them, a silence that drowns out the music they once shared. But as the heather flowers continue to bloom, so does Heather's courage. She decides to share her secret with Harmony. To her surprise, Harmony doesn't think her strange. Instead, he's fascinated, enchanted by the idea of a world filled with the music of flowers. Together, they create a symphony of love and understanding, a harmony that resonates not just in their hearts, but throughout the entire village. The music of the heather flowers, once a solitary melody, now becomes a chorus of love and acceptance. And so, our tale of Heather Harmony teaches us that love is about understanding and accepting each other's uniqueness. It's about creating a symphony together, a harmony that resonates with the music of our hearts. That's all for today, my beautiful blossoms. Remember, every petal tells a story, and every bloom inspires. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this journey enriched with love, friendship, and nature's serenity. Until next time, keep blooming.